Right, the weather's not brilliant, but I'm going to go out and make the most of it. Why not come with me and see how well we can do? Well, good morning, and you find me out and about in the Lake District again, a very wet Lake District. I've had quite a few rainy days, but I'm hoping today won't be as bad, and if anything we might get a fine day in terms of no rain. But the light's not brilliant. But we've come to Ullswater, and I was going to park at Howtown, which is one of the stops where places where the ferry stops. But when I got there's nowhere really to park. So I've come up the hill to Martindale, where there's a church and there's a place to park. I have been here before, and from where you can park, you can go Hallin Fell. Well, I'm not going to go up Hallin Fell. I'm going to, as it were, circumnavigate the fell. So I'm just dropping down a little bit. I've come back along the road, and we're on this footpath that goes round Hallin Fell, but at the moment it is going slightly downhill, and then we should end up near the shore of Ullswater. So I'm hoping to make the best of not so much of a good day in terms of light, etc. But we'll just have to see how we get on. So that's where we are. That's where we're going, and it's just keeping my eyes open to see what images can be had in poor light conditions. So anyway, we'll stop rabbiting and we'll get on with our walk, and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, well, we're slowly making our way round, and you'll have seen that as we've been going around, I've been taking some handheld images. Nothing has really grabbed my attention that I wanted to set up the tripod to finesse it, but I think I've got some reasonable images. And as I was coming round here, we're sort of at the bit where the lake sort of bends round. You can see over there's a sort of house. Don't think it's a boathouse, an actual house, but I did manage to get, which I thought was reasonable. We'll see what it's like when we come up. We've got the sort of hill. Maybe if I zoom in, we've got the hill in the centre there, we've got the house to the right of it, and then the launch or the cruiser or whatever they call it, steamer, came past, so I managed to get an image with that in. So yeah, the colours are a bit flat, but we've just got to, when it's like that, there's no point in wasting time sometimes setting up. If something catches you right, it's just a case of capturing the image and then moving on. So that's probably what a lot of the image will be. It'll be handheld ones as we go around. I mean, if I do come up with anything that I think is particularly good where I get the tripod out, I will vlog that. But yeah, we're not going to come out with any earth-shattering images, but I think we're going to come out with some reasonable images. So yeah, I just had part of my lunch. It's just gone 12, so yeah, we'll get the pack back on the back and we'll carry on round, and we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, well, we've come a little bit further round, not much further, and there's these group of trees on these rocks, and I think the Scotch pine, and I've taken a number of images, all handheld. Some of them, it's very difficult when they're backlit, but looking on the back of the camera just as silhouettes, they look quite good, so maybe we'll process them like that. But then this one at the end here, I don't know whether you can see, just the opposite side of the lake there's a house and that, and the light was catching that, so I tried to get the tree with the house in as well. Whether it'll work or not, I don't know. The conclusion I'm coming with is there's always plenty to try and capture, even in poorish conditions like this, and you've just got to go for it. And particularly when the light's so fleeting, that's why I've got the camera out and round my neck, so to speak, so we can capture images as we come across them. And if the light's there, we're not, because sometimes the light comes, by the time you've got your camera, your tripod up and whatever, it's gone. So yeah, you've got to make the most of it, but it's a very pleasant walk. So yeah, we'll carry on round and see what else we can find. So we'll catch up with you a little bit later. Right, again, we've not come much further, probably only a couple of 100 yards or so, and we've come along this stream and it just caught my eye. And just to reinforce what I've said before, when you're coming somewhere and the weather is and light is not perfect, and there perhaps isn't many very good compositions. You've got to make the most of what you come across, and I thought this little stream with its cascades, waterfalls, whatever you want to call them, was quite good. And as you can see, if I just swing around there, we've got the camera there and we're in portrait mode. We've got polarizing filter on, and we're just getting the sort of more or less the bits you can see in the video camera there. And yeah, it was quite nice, and hopefully if we can enhance it in post. We've taken different shutter speeds from 1/4 to a full second, and we'll see what we come out with. So yeah, no, it's proving a fruitful afternoon, or morning, afternoon. So yeah, I mean, I think this is one of those that in general may not be much to see of it, but with all the rain we've had recently, it's been absolutely amazing. So yeah, right, we'll finish there, we'll put up the image and we'll carry on and catch up with you a little bit later. Right, we're getting back towards the van now. So yeah, it's been a good afternoon, or good day, seeing as it was this morning when I set off. So yeah, it's been good. I don't think I've got any absolutely stunning images, but I think I've got some reasonable ones, and I think despite the weather, I've done reasonably well, I think. So that was the whole point. Well, the point was to come out and do photography, but today was the best day weather-wise, even though it's not that brilliant, and because tomorrow is going to be very rainy and the rest of the week's not looking very good at all. So yeah, so that was the whole point, to come out and get some images and do the best we could given the poorish weather, and I think we've done all right on that score. So let me just, got a raindrop right on the middle of the filter there, right. So yeah, I was going to say, if you've enjoyed the video and you haven't already done so, please click the thumbs up. It does great for the channel, and if you like what I'm doing, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything, and it's much appreciated, and it helps the channel very much. So but the thing I really do appreciate is comments. Yeah, whether they're positive, negative, informational or whatever, I do appreciate them all. It does help in terms of, right, just have to bear with me while I come through this bit of an awkward gate here. And some of these gates are getting a bit worse for wear. This is a bit of a gate and then a climb down steps on a wall. So right, we'll get down and then we'll, yeah, as I was saying, I really do appreciate all comments. They help me to know what works and doesn't work on the channel, what people like and what people don't like. So yeah, and that's it. And I suppose the question is, what next? Well, I'm not quite sure. I've got a couple of things in mind for just up in Scotland a bit, but when I'll get a chance to get up there, I don't know. Yeah, just the various things going on, trying to do this, work, family, etc. It's proving a bit difficult at the moment, and yeah, so whether we'll get those or whether it'll be just another outing somewhere in the Lake District, etc. So yeah, it's, as I say, it's been a good day, and I've run out of things to say, and rather than waffling, we'll see you on the next video.